Hello pawb, Fenw yw Gareth Bonello. Hi everyone, my name is Gareth Bonello. It's a real pleasure to be a part of Daring to Dream Festival. Yn bleser I fod yn rhan o Lleswyl. Diolch yn fawr iawn I Barbara am ofyn I fi chwarae. Thanks very much Barbara for asking me to play. I'm a folk singer from Cardiff. I play under the stage name The Gentle Good. I'm going to do a song in Welsh, song in English, song in Welsh. This first song is a Welsh folk song called Hiraeth am Feirion, which is Longing for Meirion. And it's a folk song from Meirionydd in North Wales. And initially, you think perhaps the singer is singing about the landscape. There's lines about mountains and all that kind of thing. But eventually you realise that the singer is actually singing about a boy who's gone away to sea. And she's missing him, and she puts a note under the wing of a seagull to go and fetch him back. And so that's the theme of this song. Yn y môr y byddor mynydd sydd yn cuddio bro Meirionydd na chawn olwg unwaith arni cyn i'n cael dirion dorri cyn i'n calon dirion dorri miwn aflong o dderw cariad a'i fas ti o bren y profiad ar o fireth arni nofio o don I don i'r wlad afno don I don i'r wlad afno. Dacwlan fy nghariad yna nid amlan yr wyf i'n mofyn ond am y mab sydd yn onrhwymen am y mab sydd yn onrhwymen an y môr mae pysgodyn ar y lan yr wy'n ei mofyn yn y cwrt mae dysgeidiaeth yn y galon fach mae hireth yn y galon fach mae hireth fi lan y môr I wylo fe ddawr wylan a taf yno roedd afla eto neuaden, draw i'w gario I dre gorwen, draw i'w gario I dre gorwen, o fy nghalon toros torri, am yr wyt yn dyfal boeni, ac yn darfod bob ychydig, fel ia glas ar lechwedd llithrig, fel ia glas ar lechwedd llithrig. Conni'r gan cynta, that was the first song, thank you very much. Dyna oedd Hiraeth am Feirion. So that's a fairly typical Welsh folk song about a boy that goes away to sea and we don't really know what happens to him. And the woman is left pining on the shore trying to figure out what's gone on. So I've wrote a song that's kind of followed a similar theme but was more about the separation of two loved ones. The break of dawn. It's called Obad, this one is in English. And an Obad is a poem that's set at dawn and usually involves two lovers having to go their separate ways. And so that's the theme of this particular song. You may notice as well that I'm a little sniffly, and that's because I've got a cold. I did do a COVID test and it's not COVID. However, if I'm a bit bluesier and huskier than usual, that is the reason. So this is Obad. One last time in the darkness, let's lie still as the night and hold a shroud to cloud the growing light. Morning holds out a finger, pale as bone to the sky, a ray that takes the slumber from our eyes. Down by the stream there's a maple, see how she sheds her leaves. Idle they fall to capture and enthrall, and then wash away downstream in the morning. Call the sunrise a street lamp, let the moonlight prevail, call the brazen lark a nightingale. Through the veil of deception, there is one stubborn truth, the one to which we all must travel to. Down by the stream there's a maple, see how she sheds her leaves. Idle they fall to capture and enthrall, and then wash away to sea in the morning. and fades into a sky of boldest blue. The lark carries on with the morning song. So I stand by the water, breathing cold morning air. The leaves descend until the tree stands bare.